Hello, my name is Quinn Warwick. I will be presenting alongside Dominic Gennaro and Jose Elizondo. We will be speaking about integrating AI into real estate modeling. All right, so our platform that we chose to use is ChatGPT. It is an AI tool, other known as a large language model or machine learning platform. Specifically, it is a generative pre-trained transformer, GPT, trained on extensive data to understand and generate human-like text. What is a machine learning platform? Machine learning involves algorithms that learn from historical data to predict future outcomes accurately. In real estate, this means analyzing previous sales, market trends, and economic indicators to estimate property values precisely. So this is our four-step process that we chose to do. So first, we're going to gather data about property valuations and pricings within a 5 mile radius of wherever this project is going to take place. We will use CoStar, Craigslist, or Zillow, depending on whether or not it is commercial or residential. We'll then take that data and put it into an Excel model. And after that, we'll use ChatGPT to assist users by creating formulas and making the process much easier. And lastly, we'll create a final property value using the data that we are given. By using ChatGPT, firms can reduce manual workload and stress on employees, and leveraging tools like ChatGPT alongside machine learning in real estate isn't just efficient, it is essential for maintaining a competitive edge in today's market.
All right, let's dive into how ChatGPT can be used for property valuation and pricing in commercial real estate. At its core, ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It's trained on massive range of data, including books, websites, financial models, market reports, and more, and it can generate detailed human-like responses to questions and prompts. But what really makes ChatGPT valuable in commercial real estate is its ability to understand and write code or Excel formulas and explain complex ideas in simple language. So how does this help relating to real estate property valuations and property pricing? Let's say your team is evaluating a retail property in Milwaukee. Normally, this requires pulling comps, analyzing foot traffic, lease rates, vacancy trends, and nearby development activity, a process that could take hours or even days. Instead, you could feed ChatGPT the following in an Excel document. ChatGPT can then generate formulas fast and correct in Excel so you could quickly figure out the valuation estimate, summarize the rationale behind it, and even flag variables you might have missed. Here's an example. Normally, you look up on Google the right formula or ask a colleague, but with ChatGPT, you can simply type, "Can you write me an Excel formula that calculates the price per square foot?" And ChatGPT instantly replies, "Sure, use equal total price divided by total square feet." If your price is in column B and square feet in column C, the formula in D2 would be equals B2 divided by C2. That's all it takes. I know that seems basic, but it doesn't stop there. You can ask follow-ups like now add a conditional format that highlights anything above $300 per square feet, or write a formula to flag properties where price per square foot is 20% higher than the average. ChatGPT responds with ready-to-copy formulas and step-by-step instructions, almost like having an Excel expert on a call 24/7.
So I will be going over the impact and I will be discussing these four bullet points. The first one being predictive pricing models. Uh, Use machine learning to forecast future property values based on historical data, economic indicators, and market trends. For companies, this means smarter acquisitions and dispositions, knowing when to buy, when to hold, when to exit, based on projected asset performance, not just current value. For AVMs or automated valuation models, which estimate property values instantly by analyzing comps, rental income, local trends, and more. This drastically reduces time-consuming manual appraisals. For firms managing large portfolios, this means scaling valuation processes, reducing overhead, and accelerating deal flow. Thirdly, AI-driven valuation systems integrate real-time market data, economic signals, as mentioned before, and proprietary inputs to create dynamic, constantly updated property values. Companies using these systems gain a serious competitive edge. They can react to market shifts in real time and price assets with unmatched accuracy. Lastly, ChatGPT and Excel. Whether you're building rent rolls, cash flow projections, or IR models, ChatGPT can assist you with formula creation, logical checks, and even explain complex calculations. This boosts productivity, reduces errors, and accelerates onboarding for junior analysts, helping with the entire team move faster. In conclusion, companies that are willing to embrace AI and valuation gain more than just efficiency. They unlock deeper insights, faster decision making, and measurable competitive advantages in a data driven industry. And here are work cited. Thank you.